right, guys, today is shot day. It's Tuesday, and we are on the Mounjaro 7.5. I did titrate down. Last week was my first week of 7.5, and so we're going to do another one. And since a lot of people have had questions about injecting into the back of the arm, I thought this week I'll go ahead and inject in the other arm. Last week I did left arm, and so I was reaching over this way and showing you. This time I'm going to reach over this way and show you. So I've tried a couple different positions, and as you just, each time you do it, you get a little bit easier at it. I remember the first time it just felt so awkward. So I'm taking an alcohol swab, and we're gonna start at the inner circle and work out. Sorry guys, so instead of having fatty arms, I have flabby arms now. You know what, and that's okay. Which kind of makes it a little bit hard to like, okay, making sure I don't touch it. So thank you. I had a comment last week, like start from an inner circle and work your way out. So it's kind of a little bit awkward when doing it like this, but I know that way we're not infecting that area or bringing in germs. So I'm trying. All right, now I'm in a hurry. I gotta go hurry up and get in the shower, get ready for work. We're gonna take off the plunger, and you guys know once you get going, it does not take a lot of time to do all this. So we're gonna go to the unlock position. Wow, this one just feels so much easier. So if you want, rest your arm right here and then get the fatty part, which I think when you're like this, you can either go this way, you can reach around. If you feel more comfortable, you could go like this. Oh yeah, this is another one I did. You could go underneath the arm here and you could push this way. That one actually is pretty easy. Recently, I just started doing this one where you kind of go up, right? And you push that way. So since I did that this week, I'll go ahead and do this. Okay, so you just like move your arm like this, like you're giving yourself a hug, and then get that back part. And we're pushing it in, and you push the button, and there's the second click. I didn't even feel anything this time. Wow. And I didn't even wait either. So we're just waiting to make sure that everything is in there. We're gonna release. And right there, that's where it was. All right, I hope that helps you guys. Leave me a comment or question if you have.